Welcome to the PayWave, your guide to easy payments. In this video, we will walk you through step-by-step instructions on how to enroll in autopay with our partners at Invoice Cloud. Please note that the images shown may not be exact replicas of Highlands Ranch Water's payment portal, but the steps provided remain the same.
Enrolling in autopay is easy and takes only a minute. To get started, select autopay. If you have a saved payment method already on file, you'll skip these steps until the new autopay setup step. Select the Add Payment link. Here in the top left-hand corner, you can add a credit or debit card account and/or bank accounts. Let's add a credit card. When we're done, we'll click Save. Before you finish, make sure you click the Default checkbox to ensure that this payment method will be used as your default for automatic payments. Our saved payment method screen appears. Now, select the autopay link here. Click the new autopay setup in the top left-hand corner. Choose the proper account if you have more than one. Check that the invoice type is correct. And here, you'll see our saved default payment method. If you need to choose another one, you can use this menu. Click Save this autopay setup. That's all it takes. If you go back to the home page, you'll notice the autopay icon has been enabled.
And just like that, you're all set. It's as easy as turning on your tap. If you have any questions, please contact our billing department at cs@hrwater.org. Thank you for watching this segment of the PayWave, your guide to easy payments.